Welcome to Quarantini with Stefano. This episode, the Pepperoncini Martini.
Good evening, ladies and germs. I'm Stefano, and this is Quarantini, the only interweb show created to get you through this darn quarantine. With ample amounts of alcohol. Tonight's Quarantini is a martini made with pepperoncini, which we like to call a Quarantini Pepperoncini Teeny. Queenie. And what you'll need for this Quarantini Martini is obvi, pepperoncini, vodka, and dry vermouth, and a little bit of mozzarella and supersada. Let's get started. So, pepperoncini, if you don't know, are pickled peppers, Italian pickled peppers, used for salads and sandwiches. I'm obsessed with these things. I put them in everything. So I thought, hey, if you could put an olive in a cocktail, why not pepperoncini? So to make this Quarantini, we start with our shake, shake, shake Sonora, add some ice, or as you would say in Espanol, yellow, and let's say 2 ounces of vodka, a half an ounce of dry vermouth, and 2 tablespoons of pepperoncini juice. And then, as always, we shake like the dickens. Here we go. Here, put this there so you can see. Ooh, that looks good. There we go. And then as a special garnish, what I've done is I stuffed one of these pepperoncinis with fresh mozzarella and a piece of supersada. And if you're not sure what supersada is, it's right here. It's a dried, spicy Italian sausage. So delicious, briny, salty, fatty, delicious. Here we go. Salud. And the garnish. Oh my god, that is so good. This is the first time I made this. I'm very happy with it. And I think you will be too. You know, we're gonna get through this together.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. We're desperate for your approval.